is going to be very exciting, interesting, adorable. So and I feel a little bit scared. I think it was perfect decision. It's not raining. Can you hear that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up and it is raining heavily. It is literally perfect weather to stay at home, get cozy, drink gallons of coffee, and watch your favorite movies. But we are not going to do that today. And we're gonna go to the beach. It's January, it's freezing cold, but we're going to go to the beach because why not? There are no bad weather, it's just bad clothes. Remember that and go out because you only live once. Get myself ready a little bit. Probably we'll do something with this mess right here. And then we're going to drink coffee, of course, and then we're going to pack, and then we're going to go for a little road trip. So stay with me because this video is going to be very exciting, interesting, adorable. So I'm back with my coffee. I love this mug so much, it's so festive and it suits the January, so why not? I did my skincare, my makeup, and I had a war with my hair. It still doesn't look normal, but I think it's okay. I am going to drink my coffee. I am going to pack for our road trip. I'm not going to take a huge bag with me, I'm just going to take this. But you can fit a lot of stuff in here, trust me. The first thing that I'm going to take is my journal. Take this little red bag with me. It has a mirror and I can fit my lip liner, lipstick, and my pen here. It has a mirror, so it's very convenient. And lastly, my hand sanitizer. Because who doesn't need hand sanitizer when they're going to road trip? That's pretty much it. I'll see you there. We're already here. I hope you can hear my voice perfectly because I'm standing pretty far away from the camera. This is entrance of the forest that I've spent the whole last summer in. It's not that cold that I thought it would be. I am wearing my grandmother's coat because it's so comfortable. I have my hot coffee here. I can see a bunch of different birds flying around here. It's quiet, it's very calm here, so I think it was perfect decision. It's not raining. Can you hear that? There are different herons flying around behind me, so I can hear them. So I am gonna left this coat in the car. So we're gonna go into the forest a little bit and then we're going to go to the beach. It's actually very dark and gloomy here. Pretty scared, but it's still so beautiful. There are eucalyptuses all around me that are home for many birds. I don't know why, but now I feel very cold that I'm in here and I feel a little bit scared. I feel like someone or something will jump at me any second. So I'm gonna be pretty quick with this and then we're gonna go to the beach because I'm scared. unknown reasons, this place doesn't feel safe for me. So I am gonna go now because I feel pretty scared. And we are going to go to the beach and it'll be more fun. It's a bit windy, but you can see a bunch of seagulls flying behind me and I'm very happy about it. I don't know if you can tell, and I hope you can hear my voice, but storm is starting. It's windy and it will start raining soon. But look at this. It's crazy. The storm is starting, so I think I have to go now because it's not safe anymore. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I definitely will be back here when it will be sunny and maybe warm. We have many adventures ahead of us, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.